Can you delete avatar in Duolingo? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if you are able to do so. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Duolingo application. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to find your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right besides the menu icon. If you just tap on it, you'll be able to see your avatar right here. And Duolingo does not provide you with an option to completely delete your avatar. So if you want to edit your avatar in any way or change it, you could basically tap on your avatar or the banner section. And once you tap on it, the edit avatar option will come up on your screen. Now here are different things that you can edit. The first thing you can do is change the skin tone of your avatar, change its body type, and then from here you can just change its face and eye color as well. So you can change its expression. So let me just choose this big smile. You can change the eye color, and along with this you can choose the hairstyle as well on the next option. Once you've chosen your hairstyle, so let me just go ahead and choose a random one here. So I'm just going to select this one right here. Then you can adjust its glasses, face details like wrinkles or freckles. You could also add earrings, nose rings, and many more. You could adjust its mustache, color of its beard. You can add hats, headwears, and then go to the clothing color. Here are different options as well, and you're able to change the background color. Now tap on done, and that is the only thing that you can do to change your avatar in any way. However, you cannot completely delete it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.